title of chapter 5 is user, group, and file permission. Here we are going to create users and group, and then we are going to assign them the correct permission and also the correct access files. And this is done by system administrator. Okay, and as we are using Linux as a multi-user OS, and usually it can act as servers. That's why it is important that we assign users with correct groups and correct permissions, so that when they access files, they also access with their correct privilege. Okay, so this administrative job is done by a root user, okay, which is administrator of the system. Okay, however, for purpose and reasons that was already explained in chapter 1, we do not configure password for the root user, the specific root. Okay, but we created user student 1, which has the root capability whenever this student 1 supply the password. Okay, so if we test to log in as root, actually we cannot provide the correct password because actually it was not assigned. Okay, so we will do all the administrative job through the student 1 login. Okay. Okay, so now let us start by adding one user. Okay. So this user is created, and okay, so see, I successfully created the user when I supply the command sudo, and without supplying the word sudo and just making this command, I cannot do it because I am logged in as student 1 and not root. Okay, so every time I'm going to, as I'm logged in as student 1 and I'm going to do administrative tasks, I have to put the word sudo.